One down.
One down here. Just found its home. Roger sold and willed and dealed on another.
Trying to make space.
Trying to make space for another car. This one is going to a great home to a friend, Richard. He's gonna build this into a badass car. Nice little Z28 though here. Real deal. Real deal car. Z28. It's going to a good home. Good home. That guy right there in the black is the one who just purchased it. It's always good to see these cars go to a real good home. This guy's really into it. He's gonna care for it. It's not gonna get junked. Of course, you know, it wouldn't get junked anyway. I mean, it's too nice of a car, but we wouldn't sell it to get torn apart. But beautiful car. Beautiful car.